What's up guys, I'm back at Evolutionary Performance. As always, today I'm bringing you guys along for the shop vlog. I got to do some work on a few customer cars. Today we're installing an oil catch can as well as some VVT. So let's get to today's vlog. Got to get this speed 3 on to the lift. Alright, now that we have the speed 3 on the lift. Alright. Easy does it. I love lifts so much. So much better than working on the ground. Alright guys, here's the oil catch can that we're working with. Got some lines, got the catch can itself. Ooh, look at that. She's a beauty. Nice. Alright guys, let me show you where the oil catch can is going to be located. It's going to be the hose right in the middle, connected to the intake manifold. While I'm over here working on this catch can, we've got one hose installed so far. Got a little bit more work to do though. Alright guys, I think I have the oil catch can finally set up where it needs to be. This is what it should look like. So you have the catch can mounted with your lines, and that's how it's supposed to go. Looks pretty nice right there. Nice OEM look. The under tray as well right there does bolt up, so you don't even have to lose your under tray. You can keep all of the plastic parts. Now the goal for the oil catch can is basically to keep your oil in perfect condition. It catches water, fuel, and the blow-by. So it basically maintains your oil in perfect condition. It's just really something you want for all turbo cars, just to make sure you're nice and safe. You don't have any weird issues or you know, blow up your car. But that's what it looks like, and it's pretty clean. Guys, the install is all done. Can't really see the oil catch can because it's all just like stealthy, just kind of hidden away, but looks really good. Should work perfectly. This is also a pretty clean engine bay. I like the black intercooler piping. But let's start the car, make sure there are no leaks, make sure everything sounds good. guys, so Artem was over here working on this VVT. It has failed and we're in the process of changing it.
So right here you'll see that the actual cap is missing on the VVT. Usually this is the premature signs of a failed VVT. Any further than this and it would actually jump timing and cause the valves to actually hit the piston. Now most of the times it doesn't get to this point, but we are happy that we caught it at this point. As you can see, the chain is extremely loose. It can't control oil pressure in the 4 valves inside this actuator anymore, and it can't adjust timing accordingly whatsoever. So we're just here to replace this and get this guy back on the road. If you are interested in doing a VVT and you are local to us, it is $980 parts and labor.
Nice.
Feel free to contact us with any questions and inquiries.
Yep, we are here every day at Evolutionary, Facebook, or you can just call us. It'll all be in the description. I'll have it all linked out so you can easily find us, but we're happy to help you guys. Don't worry, we'll also show you what the VVT is supposed to look like after we have installed the new VVT. Wear that chain.
I know, right?
Yep. Goodbye. Crap VVT.
Big difference.
Yeah, it is. All right, guys, the VVT is done. Oh yeah, way tighter. Do you want to explain any like trouble that you had, or?
No trouble, pretty straightforward. This is the valve. This is the...
That was the one that was broken on the other one?
Yeah,
so that's what it's supposed to look like, flush like that.
Yep, on the old one right here, that one was missing.
Nice.
And thankfully it was on the timing cover, so I was able to catch it before it dropped in the oil pan.
Yeah, if it would have been any longer, it would have completely destroyed the motor, slipped timing, and
definitely had a much higher chance of actually jumping timing.
Nice.
So a brand new chain, brand new actuator, brand new tensioner, friction washers and crank bolt. Got everything tightened up and she's almost ready to go.
Full VVT. That's awesome. So much cleaner now too. All right, guys, I'm out of here, leaving Evolutionary Performance. We got some good stuff done today, but I'm gonna make the drive home. I'm gonna give you guys a few little polls just because you haven't seen my Speed 6 in a while, but we'll get a few polls and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. guys think of the sound? Does it sound pretty good? Yeah, I love this car. This is definitely the best car I've ever owned or really been in. I love my car so much.